Acids, old definition. Substances which are soft in taste are known as acids. According to Arrhenius, substances which produce H plus ion or hydronium ion are known as acids. On the basis of origin, acids are of two types. Organic acids. Acids which are obtained from plants or animals are known as acidic organic acids. Examples of organic acids: acetic acid, oxalic acid, tartaric acid, tannic acid, malic acid, etc. Second, inorganic acids. Acids which are obtained from minerals are known as inorganic acids. Examples of inorganic acids: HCl, H2SO4, etc.
Acid. When non-metal react with oxygen, it forms non-metallic oxide. It may be neutral or acidic. When non-metallic oxide dissolve in water, it release OH minus. It can checked on pH scale. Then the litmus paper change red into blue. Then it is acidic solution. Example: H2L plus SO3 is equal to H2SO3. Thank you. Physical states of acid. Acid are found in all three states. In solid state, acetic acid is found. In gaseous state, CO2 is found, and in liquid state, HCl2SO4 is found. Acid are sour to taste. Aqueous solution of acid conduct electricity. Aqueous solution of strong acid conduct high electricity, and aqueous solution of weak acid conduct less electricity. Acid which is not dissolved in water does not conduct electricity. Acids are corrosive in nature. Acids are soluble in nature. Acid turn blue litmus paper to red. Now the chemical properties of acid. Acid react with metal to form metallic oxide and hydrogen gas. Example: Zn plus HCl when zinc is react with HCl, zinc chloride and hydrogen gas is formed. Now, second properties of acid: acid react with metal carbonate and bicarbonate to form salt CO2 and H2O. Example: when Na2CO3 react with HCl, then NaCl, CO2 and H2 is formed. NaCl is our salt. Third properties of acid is acid react with base to form salt. Example: NaOH plus HCl is equal to NaCl plus H2O. When acid react with metallic oxide and to form salt and H2O. Example: HCl plus Na2O plus is equal to NaCl plus H2O. Non-metal does not react with acid because non-metal cannot displace hydrogen.
Now we will talk about base. The ancient definition of base is substances that has bitter taste is called bases. Now, according to Arrhenius, the definition has changed, and now we will know about the modern definition, and that is the substances which give hydroxide on dissolving in water called base. Now we will talk about types of bases according on the basis of solubility of water. There are two types of bases: water soluble base and water insoluble base. Water soluble base is also known as alkalis. There is also a note: all alkalis are bases, but all bases are not alkalis. Now we will talk about the types of alkalis. The first one is on the basis of strength. There are two types of alkalis: strong alkalis and weak alkalis. The definition of strong alkalis is those alkalis which are completely ionized in its aqueous solution and produce high concentrated of hydroxide ion are called strong alkalis. And now the definition of weak alkalis are those alkalis which are partially organized in its aqueous solution and produce low concentration of hydroxide ion are known as weak alkalis. The second types of alkali is on the basis of concentration. Concentrated base containing less or no water called concentrated base. Diluted base containing high percentage of water called diluted base. Now the third one is on the basis of acidity. Acidity. Firstly, we will know about acidity. The number of hydroxide ions released by one molecule of base on dissolving in water is also known as its acidity. There are three types of bases: monoacidic bases, diacidic bases, and triacidic bases.
Let us talk about unit of acids. Carbonic acid. Carbonic acid is used in making soft drinks. Nitric acid is used in fertilizers, for making fertilizers and paints, and also for making explosives like TNT and TNG. Hydrochloric acid HCl. It is used in purification of soil, tanning of leather, and as a toilet cleaner. H2SO4 sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is considered as the king of chemicals. Sulfuric acid is used in making batteries of bus, cars, etc. Sulfuric acid is also used in making fertilizers, paints, drugs, etc. Fourth, phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid is used in making fertilizers, paints, etc. Acetic acid. Acetic acid is used in preservatives and also in pickles. Thank you.
Formation of alkalis when base oxide is dissolved in water. If it's soluble in water, then alkalis are formed. In other words, alkalis are that bases which are soluble in water. Example: NaOH, KOH, etc.
Physical properties of bases. First, bases are slippery to touch. Bases are corrosive in nature. Bases are turned litmus to blue. Chemical properties of bases. Reaction with metal. Strong bases react with high reactive metals to form metallic salt with the evolution of H2 gas. Example: 2NaOH plus Zn equal to Na2ZnO2 plus HCl. Weak bases do not react with metals. Second, reaction with non-metallic oxide. Bases react with non-metallic oxide to form salt and water. Example: NaOH plus CO2 equal to Na2CO3 plus H2O. Bases react with acid. Bases react with acid to form salt and water. This is also known as neutralization reaction. NaOH plus HCl equal to NaCl plus H2O.
My name is Kumar and my topic is some common bases. Uses of some common bases. Some common bases are milk of magnesia, caustic soda, ammonium hydroxide, and calcium hydroxide. Uses of caustic soda. Caustic soda are used in manufacturing of soap, manufacturing of rayon. Uses of milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia is used in making antacid tablets. Uses of calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide are used in making bleaching powder. Uses of ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide are used in removing grease from clothes.
My name is Abhijit Kumar Jha and my topic is indicators. Indicators are the substances that change their color or smell when put in acidic or basic medium. There are three types of indicators: natural indicators, synthetic indicator, and olfactory indicators. Natural indicators. The indicators that are found naturally is called natural indicators. Some natural indicators are litmus paper and turmeric. Litmus paper are naturally found in purple color. They change in red color when put in acidic and change in blue color when put in basic medium. Turmeric is originally yellow in color. It doesn't change its color when put in acidic medium. It changes into reddish brown color when put in basic medium. Synthetic indicators. The indicators that are synthesized by human called synthetic indicators. Some synthetic indicators are phenolphthalein and methyl orange. Phenolphthalein is commonly light pink in nature. It is colorless in acidic medium and dark pink in basic medium. Methyl orange in naturally orange in color, and it changes into red when put in acidic medium and yellow when put in basic medium. So, olfactory indicator. The indicator that changes the smell when put in acidic or basic medium called olfactory indicators. Some olfactory indicators are onion and vanilla extract. It doesn't change their smell when put in acidic medium, but change their smell when put in basic medium.
Myself, Ayush Kumar. My topic is ionic product of water, pH scale, and universal indicator. First, we know that what ionic product of water is. The product of H plus ion and OH minus ion in water at room temperature is equal to 10 to the power minus 14 mole per liter. This value is constant and known as ionic product of water. On the basis of this discovery, the invention of pH scale was made. Now what pH scale is? pH scale is a scale devised by Sorensen in which the strength of H plus ion concentration is shown by specific numbers from 0 to 14. The number 7 here represents the neutral solution, the number below 7 represents acidic solution, and number above 7 represents basic solution. Now what is universal indicator? So the indicator which is composed of various indicators and dyes and gives different colors in acidic solution, basic solution and neutral solution is known as universal indicator.
My name is Ayush Kumar. My topic is salt and types of salt. Salt are ionic compound consisting of two parts. One parts are positive charge and another charge are negative charge. Types of salt. Salt are three types. Salt first acidic salt, and second basic salt, third neutral salt. Thanks.
My name is Aman and my topic is properties of salt. Nature. Salts may be corrosive or non-corrosive in nature. Solubility. All types of salts are soluble in water. Salts are hygroscopic in nature. When we keep in open, then they absorb moisture. Taste. Salts may be salty or bitter in taste. Physical states. All salts are found in solid state in pure form. Conduction of electricity and in solution form, all salts conduct electricity. Melting point. Salts have high melting point and boiling point.
This is for my topic family of salt. The family of salt is determined by ironing of cation. A salt may belong to number of family. For example, Na2CO3 belonging to sodium family as well as carbonate family.
Myself, Somkumar. My topics are salt hydrolysis and caustic soda. First topic, salt hydrolysis. On passing electricity through a brine solution, it gives acid and base. This process is known as salt hydrolysis. It is the reverse of neutralization reaction. Second topic, caustic soda. Its chemical formula is NaOH and chemical name is sodium hydroxide. The preparation of caustic soda, it is formed in the special type of electrolytic chamber in which electricity is passed through a brine solution, gives sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas and chlorine gas. Hydrogen gas and sodium hydroxide are found at cathode and chlorine gas is found at anode. Its common uses are it is used in soap and detergent for making rayons and paper industry. Thank you.
Myself, Aman Sharma. My topic is baking soda. Its chemical name is sodium hydrogen carbonates. Its chemical formula NaHCO3. It is prepared by the cold and concentrated brine with ammonia and CO2 by the process of ammonia soda process uses. It is used as making for baking powder. It is also used as soda acid fire extinguisher. Thank you.
Myself, Kaushik Thakur. My topic is washing soda. Washing soda, it is also known as sodium carbonate tetrahydrate. Its chemical formula is Na2CO3.10H2O. By heating baking soda, we get sodium carbonate, and by decrystallizing it, we get sodium carbonate tetrahydrate. Washing soda is used in soap, glass, and paper industries. It is used for removing permanent hardness of water. It is also used as a cleaning agent for houses.
Hello, my name is Nishan and my topic is bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is known as calcium oxychloride and it is represented by CaOCl2. It is formed by the action of chlorine on calcium hydroxide. When chlorine gas is passed with calcium hydroxide, then we get calcium oxychloride with H2O. Thank you.